Adding fractions is simple when the denominators are the same. So for example, if you have pizza that's cut into 8 slices, and you have 5 slices, plus 2 more slices, then you have 7 of 8 slices, or 7/8 of a pizza. So to add fractions then when the denominators are the same, first you're going to add the numerators. Second, the denominator is going to stay the same. And then, if necessary, you'll simplify. And by that I mean, you know that if the answer is an improper fraction, it can't stay that way. You have to change it into a mixed number. And if you don't, then the answer is not correct. And in another lesson, you'll also learn about reducing. So here's an example of adding fractions when the denominators are the same. We have 4/7 plus 5/7. So first of all, we're going to add the numerators. 4 and 5 is 9. The denominator is going to stay the same. We have 9/7, but that's an improper fraction. So we have to change that to a mixed number. And if you remember how to do that, you divide 7 into 9, and it goes once with 2 left over, so it gives us 1 and 2/7. So sometimes the fractions you're adding might be mixed numbers, and if that's the case, here is how you add mixed numbers when the denominators are the same. So the first thing you're going to do is add the fraction part. And that includes simplifying if the answer is an improper fraction, so turning that into a mixed number. If there is a mixed number, then you're going to regroup or carry if necessary. And finally, you're going to add the whole numbers. So here's how we do it. Alright, so let's say we're adding 3 and 4/7 plus 1 and 5/7. Step 1 is to add the fractions, so we know the denominator is going to stay the same, and 4 plus 5 is 9. Of course, this is going to have to be simplified, so step 2 is going to be that we're going to regroup. So to simplify this, we divide 7 into 9, and that's going to give us a whole number 1, so we'll put it up here with the whole numbers. We'll carry it. And then that's 2 left over, so 1 and 2/7. Now step 3 is we're going to add the whole numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5 and 2/7.